Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and another new AI tool. So before I can proceed with the review, uh, let me tell you what the tool is about. This is a text-to-speech maker, which is a free text-to-speech tool wherein you can convert up to 10,000 characters at a time, and this is a free tool. Now before I can go about the review and the step-by-step tutorial, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you will get most of the updates. So moving on to the actual tutorial. So this is the website ttsmaker.com. So here on the is the content where you put. Here you select the language. Let's leave the default language English, and here there are the voiceover artists, so you can select anyone. You can say, let's say, play this example.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
So you can see it has a limit of 5,000 characters. So if your content is of 10,000 and you try to use this, you're going to get stuck up. Let's pick up something else over here.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
So it has a 10,000 character limit. Let's choose this. So let's go and pick up some text. So here I have some random text. Okay, so you go over here and this is the spam prevention, and there are more settings out over here if you are interested. That is to convert it to some audio format, then voice speed, voice volume, pitch adjustment and all. But according to me, this is good enough. You don't need to even temper it. So let's convert to speech. So you can see within few seconds it is
Hello
converted.
everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to review and see the step-by-step tutorial on how to use the TTS Maker free text-to-speech AI tool. If you found this particular video useful, please give it a like, share it, and let us know your feedback in the comments section. Last but not least, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
So you can go ahead and download this particular voice note, and you see your voice note is going to be downloaded. Now you can see what are the applications of this particular thing. That are lots, in fact, for social media, for YouTube, TikTok and other dubbing. If you want to do the dubbing, you can use it, Instagram, etc. If you want to use this like an audiobook, you have some text, you can paste it out, read it, and listen to audiobook content for education and training purposes, marketing and advertising. So quite some use cases. Now it's English is not the only language. You have multiple languages supported over here. So let's try out Hindi over here. So I'm going to go and pick up some Hindi. It's the same content translated over here. I would have loved if so it's Hindi. It's auto picked up that it is Hindi over here. I think we had selected it over here, sorry. And your voice artist, let's leave her, and 5435 and convert to speech.
सभी को नमस्कार और मेरे YouTube चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम TTS मेकर फ्री टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच AI टूल का उपयोग करने के तरीके पर चरण दर चरण ट्यूटोरियल की समीक्षा करने और देखने जा रहे हैं। यदि आपको यह विशेष वीडियो उपयोगी लगा तो कृपया
तो आप देख सकते हैं, सॉरी, continuing with that Hindi tone. Well, so you can see you can do it in any language. The only thing I would have loved to is if like many AI powered tools, you could straight away convert it to a language of your choice. But here you need a third party tool basically to translate or put this particular content in a language you want to change it to. So besides that, I find this as a very useful tool. A big thumbs up for that. Do let me know your feedback on this. How are you going to use this for your day-to-day work? Do like this video, do share this video across, and before winding off, a humble request: if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.